Kichima, Chipram Konto, Alliance, shoot to kill, Yamaza, kill the poor, the farmer, kill the poor, the farmer, brr, pa, pa, brr, pa, pa. Attention.
Over there on the X app, yes, the X app that is owned, okay, by Elon Musk. And let me tell you something. He doesn't just own it, he uses it, and he uses it to fight his battles. You already know, I guess you're up to date when it comes to Elon and Donald Trump and this whole South African whites are really, in a lot of trouble in South Africa. So now somebody has put it out on Twitter that on X, oh gosh, I can't get used to X, but it is what it is. Somebody put it out there that, the Julius Malema, someone is posting the clips that Julius Malema did, okay? And Elon Musk says, immediate sanctions for this man. Immediate sanctions for this man. But this is what Julius Malema says, which is... For me, it's like, okay, but Elon Musk can literally flip a switch and just delete Julius Malema's account, right? He can literally delete that account. But he hasn't. Instead, they've got a back and forth going. Let me read to you what Julius Malema responded and said. Whoa! Did I mention that a video has 48 million views? But here goes. Julius Malema says, I really think you have entirely lost your left brain. A typical spoilt brat and a direct beneficiary of apartheid whiteness. I know black people look the same to you. Typical racist. Look closer and you will realize those are two different people. America is exposing us to its stupidity. I don't care about your sanctions. I will never stop fighting for black people to be equal to white people. And if that makes me an international criminal, then I am proud to be one. That is Julius Malema's response, and he made it clear. What exactly did Elon Musk respond? And nope, he did not respond. He did not respond. Listen, I'm telling you, Elon has the power to just delete his account. So Elon Musk's response says, immediate sanctions for Malema and declaration of him as an international criminal. And that X post has 48 million views. 48 million views. Wow. And all this, wow, in response. So let me know, is this white privilege on full display on that app over there? Is this what you think? Let me know. Let me know your thoughts. Because what? Guningi.
Kichima. Chipram Konto, Alliance, shoot to kill, Yamaza.
The mayor of DA in PE is a white man. So these people, when you want to hit them hard, go after a white man. They feel a terrible pain because you have touched a white man. Not because Mashaba and Soli will not be touched. They will be touched, don't worry. But we are starting with this whiteness. We are cutting the throat of whiteness.
You tell us that you will not be bullied. We agree with you that we must not be bullied. But you fail to tell us what you are going to do about it. It is not enough to simply say you will not be bullied. You must tell us what action you will take. When you respond on Thursday, we expect you to provide real detailed response.
Julius Malema certainly
Trump
has a point, because President Cyril Ramaphosa only said, you stay over there with your America and don't tell me what to do over here in South Africa. But he didn't say, or else. How come that is what he said over there with Rwandan president? But let me end it here. Definitely want to hear your thoughts. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, okay, to share this video as well. I'd absolutely appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on my next upload.
I spoke to him soon after he was elected, congratulated him, and we both said we are looking forward to continued dealings and engagement. I was not able to go to the United States because I was very busy with my party political work. We were holding our strategy session, which is a very important strategy session, which is called a Lekgotla, and no ANC president ever stays away from that. So that took precedence. But I know President Trump and I are going to continue either dealing together or meeting. And
common cause.
It's not a train smash.
This is the world that we, as South Africa, a developing economy, must now navigate. But we are not daunted to navigate our path through this world that constantly changes. We will not be deterred. We are, as South Africans, a resilient people, and we will not be bullied. We will stand together as a united nation, and we will speak with one voice in defense of our national interests.